If you've been in the audio or visual industry within the past 5 to 10 years, then the name RØDE would not be a stranger to your ears. For the past 56 years, RØDE has been at the global cutting edge of industry standard microphones, accessories for microphones, and video production. In lieu of that, we have decided to run with a RØDE series, where basically we speak about everything that we have ever produced from RØDE. Also, in addition, if you buy any RØDE wireless microphone from today, you get a 5-year warranty. Yes, you heard me right, a 5-year warranty. Quick disclaimer, this is not sponsored by RØDE. This is a collaboration between CAMERAjOINT and the Product Village. Now, if you own any RØDE equipment whatsoever, I want you to make a video using that equipment, using the hashtag #RØDE right there underneath. Use that hashtag and tag CAMERAjOINT and tag the Product Village, and you stand the chance of winning a prize. I won't tell you what it is. That's why it's a surprise. All right? Now join us as we go on the road.